Hello all. I just wanted to speak a little bit about formatting in Tableau. This is definitely not something that I can actually speak about it, but just what are the different types of formatting options available in Tableau? Let's just give an overview and let's try to understand what are the different types of formatting that we can do with Tableau. So that will help us to create our visualization in a better manner. So let's get inside our Tableau environment to see what are the different types of formatting which is available. So now if you go to my workbook, what are the things that I'm seeing is, um, yeah, so just that I do not have my, let me just add a connection here. Okay. So Superstore data source is there. I've just done a connection here. So let me just put a little bit, just one kind of visualization. I'll keep it so that we can talk about all of the formatting that we can do it. So category is there. And also I'll put the sum of the sales. Okay, so I'm getting a bar chart now. And if I want, I can even put my order date as well. Okay, so there are different types of formatting that you can do it with the uh, Tableau. So the very first formatting that you can actually look for is the something that you see here. Under your marks, the different types of formatting, first you need to know. First of all, if you click on this, here you can choose what type of chart you wanted to have for your visualization. Okay, suppose I'll choose a bar, I will see my visualization in the form of a bar. Okay, and that's first type of formatting that you can do it. And also when you think about a color, okay, so color is something which you can make use of it, like different types of colors that you wanted to use in your bar graph. You can always go and choose the um, the various colors that you can use it. And also there is opacity level which you can adjust it. And there is an option called as borders. So I'll just keep a solid color for my border. We can see that there is a border of a black which is being given over here. Okay, and even we can click on more colors and you can give your custom color also. Okay, so that's the border. I just wanted to talk about a border. Let me just keep it as a black color. And so you can this is or the different options that you can try in terms of colors. Okay, so how you want your visualization to look, you can do a different type of formatting. That's what I'm trying to show you. And also there is something called as a size. So if you want to increase the size, you can just increase the sizes like this, or if you want to decrease the size, you can decrease the size like this. So this is the idea of having a mark size, and you can even control how your visualization is going to be in with this type of formatting. And also you can have a label here. Okay, suppose for example I just wanted to show the label for the categories. Okay, so I'll just click on this and show mark labels. So you can see that it is showing a label for a category wise, it is showing me the label. Okay, and there are multiple things that you can do with this label also. So you can change the values here, like if you wanted to keep this as maximum, and that also could be kept. And all of these variations you can do it. And along with that, here you can actually choose on what you wanted to label it. If you want highlighted one only to label it, you can just do that. Okay, highlighted one alone will get labeled, remaining things will not be labeled. So likewise we have different options. In fact, we are having a different video where we have spoken about the label formatting, so you can just have a look at it also. And the detailing is something that you could actually be using it in case if you wanted to add the details to your workbook. And then a tooltip is something which will be displayed, like if you hover over here, you see here something, right? So this is what you call it as a tooltip, and you can even edit this tooltip also. That's what here it is. So this is how it is getting displayed. And if you wanted to change how the way your tooltip should look, you can change that. In fact, let us change the color and see if the color is getting changed or not. Okay, so click on OK, and you can see that the tooltip color is changed now. So any kind of formatting that you wanted to do with the tooltip, you can actually go ahead and perform that. Okay, and you can show the tooltip on hover, or you can show the tooltip instantly. Any options you can choose it. And if you want to include your command buttons, you can include it, and then allow the selection by category. That is also possible. Okay, so this is with regards to the tooltip. So the first type of formatting, that most of the type of formatting that you wanted to do with the visualization, which is seen here, you will always be doing it here. Another format option that is available with you here is, you can see here, there are different options. You wanted to do a formatting for your legends, you can do it. Filters and sets, you wanted to perform a formatting, you can do it. Parameters you want to format, there is an option. So workbook wise, if you wanted to format it, you can see here, there is a left side, you have a pane, right? In this left side pane, you can see that there are different types of formatting that you can do it. So you can actually decide on the font, what font you wanted. You can say that it should be a Georgia font. Calibri, as soon as I have selected, you can see variations here. Okay, so you can choose the font over here, and also if you want to change this color, you can change this color. Okay, and also when it comes to your worksheet, again, if you wanted to change this to Times New Roman, you can change it with the worksheet also. So here, this is an all option. So when you do it here, it is going to be changed to everywhere. So here also you can change for your worksheet. So these are the different options that is possible with your worksheets. Similarly, tooltips is also there. Tooltip, you wanted to change your title and all those stuff, you can do it. And worksheet title, if you wanted to change, that is also possible here. Dashboard is there, and story title, everything you can format it from here. Okay, and then this is with regards to the fonts. And when you come down, you have a line, different lines. So whether you wanted a kind of zero line, or you can choose what line you wanted to, you know, put for your if you have a line chart. Okay, and if you have a trend line, you can choose what is the line that you wanted to have it. Okay, so let's just put this in the form of a line. Okay, and let me just change this to this color. And see, these things will be available only when you have used your reference lines or trend lines. If you have used it, then probably, like, let me just I mean, you can change the way how your reference line should be. You can choose what type of line it should be displaying for showing the reference line. All of these options is available in a workbook wise. If you wanted to perform a formatting, you can go ahead and do these type of formatting. Okay, and then when it comes to formatting your parameters, again, you can change the font, title, and then style, border. All of these things could be changed. Similarly, for formatting your filters and sets also, you can change your filter and set formatting also in this way. Body, everything could be changed as you wish. Okay, and then finally, yeah, you can actually click on some animations also. Okay, so you can even do a format of animations, like what is the duration you wanted to specify. Okay, say for example, you just wanted to specify the duration, how much duration you want your worksheet to be displayed. You can choose, like, how do you do it in your Microsoft PowerPoint, right? Likewise. Okay, and here also there are different types of options which is available, and everything is going to help with your um, of course, it is going to help with formatting your visualization only. And this is your title. If you know this is your title, and you can actually hide the title if you do not want it. Okay. Or if you okay, and then if you wanted to uh, edit your title, then you can just click on edit title, and here also however you wanted your title to be displayed, you can just give the title displaying also here, and that is also possible. And if you take the axis also, for your axis you can see your view data, and then ascending and the descending order is possible, and you can even edit your axis here. And yeah, you, if you however you want to edit your axis, these are the options that we have discussed in dual axis and all that stuff. So all, any kind of things that you see in your Tableau's workbook, everything is could be formatted. And these are the different types of formatting Tableau is providing to you. So with the assistance of all of these formatting tips, you can actually go ahead and create a very nice visualization using your Tableau. Okay, so that's the idea that I wanted to give you as a part of formatting. So that's all I have for this session. Thank you.